Did you know that reviewing information at the right time can help you remember it for much longer? This technique is called spaced repetition. Instead of cramming everything into one study session, you review the material at specific intervals over time. Many people use schedules like 1 day, 3 days, and 1 week. But one method we use is the 2, 3, 5, 7 method. For example, if you take notes on day 1, Monday, review them on day 2, Tuesday, day 3, Wednesday, day 5, Friday, and day 7, Sunday. Why does this work? Because each time you're about to forget the information, you strengthen the memory by recalling it. This tells your brain, this is important, keep it. Spaced repetition is even more effective when combined with active recall, such as flashcards, practice questions, or the blurting method. So instead of studying harder, study smarter. Review information at the right times, strengthen your memory, and remember more for the long term. That's the power of spaced repetition.